problem when the open door doesn't hold vertically. As you see right here, the upright holding the door is not in vertical position. I can force it on this item, but it doesn't stay. So to fix the problem, we have to do adjustment on the scissors. And this right here, the screw, which is accessible from the front, and as you see, the upright is moving, and right now is holding. So that's basically a very simple fix from the front to bring up the upright to vertical position and hold the door when the door is open. And then obviously we can push it and slide inside.
Thank you for watching Tech Tips with Jan. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. What other installation and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know and comment below. Again, thanks for tuning in and see you next time.